Partly cloudy, hot, humid, and the chance for an afternoon shower. That is definitely a very typical Valley early summer forecast. 73 overnight tonight, southeast wind 5 to 10. Tomorrow, heading out the door, you're looking at temperatures 80 near 8, partly cloudy skies, southeast winds 5 to 10, getting up there 10 to 15 by afternoon. Temperatures getting up there 88 by noon, 93 by afternoon. And the chance for a shower? Okay, it's there. But we only have a couple of ingredients left over to deliver that chance for shower, one of which is daytime heating. The other is abundant moisture in the atmosphere. So those two together really don't spell out a well-defined chance. They just kind of pip and pop whenever they want. So there you go. 20% chance for tomorrow across the valley for rain, but it's light stuff. Some embedded thunder. We had that today, rolling across much of Hidalgo County, in fact. 91 degrees forecast high tomorrow at Brownsville, 84 at the island, 96 degrees at McAllen. And the normal high this time here is 95, closer to 97 in the upper valley. So we're pretty much on the money there. Looking at tomorrow's rain opportunity, it should focus with peak daytime heating midday to afternoon. Looking at Futurecast, well, yeah, we do have that opportunity showing up, but only slightly for Wednesday, pushing on in. But just a teeny tiny little pip and pop, that's all there is. And the same is true on Tuesday, and the same is true for Wednesday, and the same is true for, well, for Wednesday and Thursday, I should say. Get my days straight, I was making two different maps at once. And then we're talking about the rest of the week with a severe weather threat. It's minimal. It's, in fact, not even there. It's basically a general thunderstorm threat. With embedded thunderstorms in any rain, this tropical style rain loves to produce those, as we saw with Hidalgo County today. So the Storm Prediction Center is going with, okay, you might have a few rumbles. We're not expecting severe weather to blow up. It's just the elements are not there for any super strong thunderstorms other than just your general stuff. All right, now a 50% chance for rain on Sunday, 40% chance on Monday. A little bit of an increase there. We're going to throw in a few extra elements to help watch that number increase. So Saturday, you stand a better chance of mowing the yard than you do on Sunday, at least so far in the forecast this week. We'll get back to you on that if that changes. Looking at 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch west to the upper valley, that's not much at all. This is for a 7-day run. Now through the next 7 days. 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch in the lower valley. So again, that's not much. You could see some higher amounts in isolated spots, but that's about it. Tropical snapshot. Nothing is expected to develop in the next 7 days. Nothing at all. And we do have what's left of Andrea there moving on in to the North Atlantic along the Gulf Stream. That thing's over 3,000 miles away, dying and moving away from us. But it was the first named storm of the Atlantic season, so that's worth noting. And the dust continues to waft off Africa and head toward the valley this week into the weekend. That, of course, diminishes air quality, and that's just not a good thing, but it's something we tolerate this time of year. And look at Sunday. I mentioned an increased chance for rain. Indeed, an opportunity for rain and rumbles on Sunday, more so than Saturday. That's why you're going to get that lawn mowed on Saturday. You might even be able to do it on Sunday, but anyway, the better chance is Saturday.